Discount. Discount is any type of reduction in terms of price by the seller to the buyer. Trade discount and cash discount are the types of discount. Trade discount is the rebate allowed by the seller at a fixed percentage of the list price, and cash discount is the rebate allowed to the buyer for making prompt payment. Cash discount always recorded in the books of both the parties, but trade discount is not recorded in the books as it is deducted from the sale price. Now, the other important terms I will tell you, that is related to the entry. The entry, when a transaction or event is recorded in the books of accounts, it is known as entry. Then the debit and credit. Under the double entry system, every business transaction is recorded in at least two accounts. One account will receive a debit entry and another account will receive a credit entry. Debit, that is the left hand side of an account, is known as debit. If an account is to be debited, then the entry is posted on the debit side. But the credit, the right hand side of an account, is known as credit. If an account is to be credited, then the entry is posted on the credit side. Then the next term is proprietor. It is a person who makes investment in the business, manages it, and bears all the risk involved in the business. Then the next one is then the next one is bad debts. Bad debts is the amount that has become irrecoverable from a debtor. It is a business loss and is debited to profit and loss account. Then the next term is insolvent. Insolvent is a person or enterprise which is not in a position to pay its debts. A person becomes insolvent when his liabilities are more than his assets. Then the next one is a solvent. It is a person or an enterprise which is in a position to pay its debts in full. Then the next one is the book value. It is the amount at which an item appears in the books of accounts. Then the next one is the invoice. It is a business document which is prepared by the seller when the goods are sold on credit. Then the next one is entity. An entity refers to an economic unit which is engaged in performing economic activities. For example, Tata Motors, Hero Industries, etc.